What's good? I'm Tech with Corey, and today let's jump into my travel tripod, right? This here is the NEEWER LT39, and this is a carbon fiber travel tripod, right? Look at it. It looks good. It got the carbon fiber with the gold accents. And when you're looking at this right here, this thing folds down to 19 inches, right? So you go down to 19 inches so you can easily store it, and you can get all the way up to 62 inches in height, right? So you got that part, and you got a carrying case to go with it, right? So carrying case right here that just folds right down into, but this thing here is really good, right? So when you're looking at it here, you got the 4 spots right here that could easily, the latches that latch up, and you can easily just pull this whatever way you need to pull it, right? Those pull in, pull out really well, and they snap into place so you know you got a secure and snug fit in there tight when you have them, right? So you get to the right height and the right adjustment that you need to get to, right? So looking at this, like I said, carbon fiber travel tripod can do any and everything that you want to do, right? So let's look at it here. You got all the mounts on here, the 1/4 mounts. So if you want to mount things on the side, you can mount. If you got a monitor, you got a light, whatever you may well have, you can mount that on there, right? If you look at the bottom here on the center column, you can mount your backpack or any kind of weights if you want to weight this down, right? But I like it because when I'm traveling, take my backpack off, put it here, that holds it steady, gives it a lot more weight, right? So checking out the tripod here, if you look at the head right here, it's a ball head. You can easily move this around, right? And it has that 360 degrees. So if you're doing those panoramic shots, they actually have a piece right here that you can put on the top to get those panoramic shots. Or you can just unscrew right here and you can go all the way around however you need to go to get this around, right, to make those adjustments, right? But the cool part here is it has the arca plate at the top. So all you got to do is unthread that, pull that out, and then boom, you can get the plate out at the top right here. Let me get this out to show you. So you unthread it right to tight, left to loosen. You can pull that out. Now you got the plate right here. You can attach your camera, smartphones, whatever you want. But they give you an actual smartphone mount right here, right? So you can put the smartphone mount up here as it just threads right in if you want to put your smartphone mount at the top. So you can use this just not only for cameras, but you can put your smartphone here if you want to have your smartphone with you, because we all got our smartphone with us when we're out and traveling, right? So you get your smartphone here to mount at the top to get footage off your iPhone or whatever you got going. Or you could put your phone here as the side if you want to use it as a monitor to monitor your actual camera, right? But you can put an action camera, you can put smartphone, you can put mirrorless DSLR, whatever you got, you can put there. And you can put accessories here on the sides because you have those actual mounts, right? So now you're thinking, all right, I could pull this up to 62 inches, but if I want to get this even lower, they give you another column, right? So if you want to get those low shots, right here is what you have. You just unscrew this center column here, and you can pull that center column all the way up. Once you have the center column all the way up, you're just putting this center column in there to get those low shots. So if you want to go low, you can switch the columns out. So swappable columns, which gives you that extra piece right there. So like I said, this thing is action-packed, travel tripod, carbon fiber, can do any and everything that you want it to do. The same way here. And this is a cool thing here. When you put this on here, if you watch this, we put that in, we lock it into place just like that, right? So now that that's locked into place, that's not going to come off. So everything is easily locked into place, right? Now here, if you want to adjust it, all you got to do is pull that out. And once you pull that out, you can then adjust this, right? So you can basically pull this out. You can adjust the ball head by getting it however you need it to be. Once you're where you want to be at, you just push it back in and now it's locked into place, right? So look at this again on the back side. You unthread that. Basically, that's going to loosen it up. You pull that out. Now you get to exactly where you want to be at, right? So say we want to be right here. You just push that in, turn it up. It's locked into place, right? Now it's locked into place. It's not going anywhere. So ball head's locked. And on the side, you have this one here. If you want to rotate it, you can go just like that. Once you're where you want to be, you just thread it back into place. Now we're locked in and we're not moving, right? So this here is a great tripod, great price point. Carbon fiber is the LT39 by NEEWER. It works really well. Like I say, it holds, it's 2.7 pounds, right? And it holds up to 22 pounds. So smartphone, action cameras, mirrorless camera, whatever you got, you can put it on here. Goes all the way up to 62 inches in height when you fold it down. 19 inches, just like that. Got a carrying case with it. A couple of accessories if you want the panoramic shots or if you want to change that center column out. And an actual phone mount, so you can't go wrong. So if you're like me and want a good travel tripod with a small footprint that you can do any and everything that you need to throw at it and going to have your durability and last a long time being carbon fiber, check out this NEEWER LT39.